Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Today I'm sharing with you what I eat in a day. I uploaded one of these types of videos about a month ago and I thought I'll do another one. And this what I eat in a day will have some cooking bits in it, as for 2 of the 3 meals I ate that day, I was just making those meals for myself as I was home alone for most of that day. So I hope you'll enjoy this, what I eat in a day, cooking for myself. For breakfast, I made scrambled eggs and toast with peanut butter. So I started off by cutting 2 slices of this stone ground sourdough bread that we just get from Hill Street, and then I put those 2 pieces in the toaster to cook, and then I moved on to making the scrambled eggs. So I started off by heating up some butter in a saucepan, and then I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl, not our chicken's eggs, as when I filmed this they weren't laying. So just 2 store-bought eggs, and then I just whisked them around with a whisk, and then I added in a dash of milk and then just whisked it one more time. And then once all the butter in the saucepan had melted, I just poured the egg mixture in and then just stir it around until the scrambled eggs look cooked. And I'm really terrible at knowing if they're cooked and if they're not, and I always end up overcooking them and then they're all like tough and watery. But then once I think that they're relatively cooked, I just put them on my plate, and then I get my toast out of the toaster and I spread it with peanut butter. I know this might be a little weird, but the scrambled eggs don't actually go on my toast. I just prefer them on the side because otherwise it just makes my toast soggy, and I don't like buttered toast that much unless it's with sardines. And then that was my breakfast: scrambled eggs and toast with peanut butter. For lunch, I had leftovers from the night before, which was nachos. So I started off by heating up the chili beef stuff in the microwave for about 3 minutes. And this chili beef stuff, I think it's literally just mince, kidney beans and onion. And then after the 3 minutes was up, I just stir around with a fork so that everything is cooked evenly. And then once it's all cooked, I just put it out onto a plate, and then I put some jalapenos on it as well for some extra nutrition. And I guess this is technically my fruit for the day, kind of. And then I have some sour cream on it, as what's nachos without sour cream, and then just some hot sauce, as again, what's nachos without a little kick. And I like a bit of kick to my food as well, clearly, because I'm having jalapenos and hot sauce. And then of course you have to have corn chips, right? That's like the whole point of nachos, isn't it? But yeah, that was my lunch. So easy to make, as it was just leftovers. Yeah, nachos, yummy. So for dinner I had roast chicken, and I guess this video is kind of clickbait because I didn't cook this, Mum did, and it wasn't just for me. And I also forgot to show the cooking process. Then this is the final product. So you've got the steamed broccoli, the oven baked carrots, the oven baked potatoes, the oven baked sweet potatoes, and then you've got the roast chicken with some gravy. I love roast chicken so much. It is seriously one of my favorite meals ever. And so that is it for this what I eat in a day, cooking for myself mostly. Okay, 2 out of the 3 meals I ate that day were cooked by me, so close enough I guess. But I hope you all enjoyed, and let me know if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. So, till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.